Making an allowance budget involves following these steps. Determine the total allowance amount. Decide how much allowance you want to give yourself or your child each week or month. List your expenses. Make a list of all the things you need or want to spend your allowance on. This might include snacks, toys, games, clothes, books, and so on. Categorize your expenses. Group your expenses into categories such as food, entertainment, clothing, and so on. Assign amounts to each category. Decide how much money you want to allocate to each category. Be sure to leave some money for savings and unexpected expenses. Track your spending. Keep track of how much you spend in each category. You can use a notebook or an app to track your expenses. Adjust your budget as needed. If you find that you're spending more money than you planned in a certain category, adjust your budget accordingly. Review your budget regularly. Review your budget on a regular basis to ensure that you're staying on track and making progress towards your financial goals. Remember, the key to a successful allowance budget is to be realistic about your expenses and to stick to your budget as much as possible.